Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it. So for this purpose, first you need to open Instagram app on your mobile device. Then here at the bottom right corner, you have your profile icon. You simply need to click on it. Then on this page, you have these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You simply need to tap on it. Then settings and activity page will appear on your screen. Here tap on Account Center. In Account Center, you have the option of password and security. Click on it. Then here you have this option change password. But from here you can just change password. You can't see the password of your Instagram account. For seeing password of Instagram account, even if you forgot it, then what you need to do, open Chrome on your mobile device. Then here at the bottom right corner, you have these three dots. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of password manager. You simply need to tap on it. And here search for password of Instagram accounts. Once you find your Instagram account's password, then you can see your Instagram account's password from here. And there's one more method is that go to Chrome and here in the search bar, you simply need to search for iforgot.apple.com. Then this page will pop up on your screen. Here click on reset password. Then this type of page will appear. Here enter email address or phone number or username. And then tap on send login link. Once you enter your phone number, your email address or your username, they will send you login link on your that username or phone number or email address. And from here, you can see your Instagram password. So this is how you can see Instagram account password even if you forgot it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.